Hi beauties, it's time to get your beauty on, and what better way to do it with another unboxing. This month I got my Ipsy box early. Woo! So I'm really excited about it, and I'm kind of torn because these boxes are kind of hit and miss for me, and I am someone who loves a bold lip and really bold eye colors. I might use it as an accent, but I love a bold eyelash and a bold eye. And before you're wondering what's up with the crazy eyebrows with all the glitter and the blackness, today was our local St. Patty's Day parade, and my Irish eyes have been smiling all day. So it was really fun. I wish there would have been more bands. There was one drum corps. That's it. No bands, no horses. It's like, come on, people. It's St. Patty's Day. We're celebrating St. Patty's Day. It's not about Irish beer all the time. Irish pride. Definitely Irish pride. And that is something that I totally have. And although my husband is part Indian and part Irish, we do celebrate all the wonderful little holidays. So that was really fun. I got to teach my grandson how to be a candy chaser, and he's 5, so that was a little tricky. I was running all over the place, but I digress. So let's get into it. As per usual, the little blue packaging, you know, it's like, okay, bye-bye. So, the first thing that caught my eye in the box was this Huda palette. Now, there was like some variations, and I was so afraid I was going to get the brown variation, which that's not my wheelhouse. But the palette I got was the Mauve Obsessions palette, and it is in my wheelhouse. I love these colors. They are amazing. Okay, check this out. All I can say is thank God I got the Mauve palette, because I am not about these browns. I have a ton, and I mean a ton of brown neutral shades in my collection, and I really don't need any more. So let's take a look. Okay. So this is a mix of satin and mattes. We have a good variety here. Here we go. Oh, let's see. Turn your hand on it. Okay. So we have some nice little variety there. I forgot my makeup remover cloth, so just bear with me. And then we have, I'll do my thumb. Here we go. And that is a really pretty rust color. So, and it comes with a little cream, oh, sorry about blinding you. This cream shade here is a really nice, that way if you get a little too heavy-handed with some of those darker colors, you can just take that cream and go buff, 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 and then it's all good. That's kind of what happened with my eye look today. I went really dark with the green, and I had to really buff it out, because I was like, well, it's on there. I ain't taking it off now. Okay, so the next thing in the box is, oh, I forgot to tell you how much that was. That palette retails for $27. And I forgot to tell you at the beginning, Ipsy is a $25 a month subscription box. You get five full-size products in your box. And it is a monthly subscription. Now, the next product I got was the Purlisse Prevent Blue Lotus Balancing Moisturizer. Okay, so we could all use a good moisturizer. Who doesn't need one? I don't know. If you're aging at all, if you're past the age of, I don't know, 15, you need a dang moisturizer. So here it is. And then you come out like this. And it has a really, I would say a mid-tone. You know, it's not really thick like a cream, not thin like a lotion, but it is fast absorbing. So if you're curious about it, I would say check it out, because I love these Purlisse or whatever, however you call them. I love the products. So that's all good. Now the Purlisse, and I'm sure I'm butchering the name, this thing retails for, oh my God, $45. Wow. So the next thing we got in the box is by Benefit. I love me some Benefit. They're really good products. It's the Dandelion Shy Beam. It is a nude pink matte radiance highlighter. So here we go. I'm still working on my lighting people, so you know, just bear with me. I'll get this stuff figured out eventually. So it's really cute packaging. This is really a broomstick rider to get, but anyway, now these little highlighters are they look like nail polish. So when you open them up, it straight up looks like nail polish. Now this is really good if you want to, like, let's see if I can do this without like screwing it up too bad. Like put it under your brow bone and just apply it up there and just tap it out. Tap, 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 tap. Or you can put it as a highlight for, you know, if you want a nice highlight, but you don't want like the glitter sparkle looking like a disco ball, which I absolutely hate, but I like glitter, so I'm kind of torn. But I will get a lot of use out of this product because I've been wanting to try some of their liquid products like this. They've got a Benefit face tint that you can use on the lips, you know, as a cheek blush stain. So I've been wanting to try them, so that's cool. It was in the box. And then this product, I'm losing my shiz today, people. This product was $26. And what it says about this, it says, we all want glowy features, but some of us prefer the radiant without the sparkle. It says, this matte highlighter gives you a lit from within glow with a diffused finish for like an elegant luster. So it's not going to be like an ultra like bright shiny highlight. So it's very like lit with I can't talk. Lit from within glow. And then it says it gives you tips in this little card thing that they send every month, and it says just you know, put it in the, just brush it on with the nail polish like brush, and then just blend it out with your finger. So you'll be seeing a lot more of that hopefully when I get some more videos up. The next product in the box is mascara. And at first I was like, ouch. This is by Petra, or Pixie by Petra. Now, for many of you know that they sell this brand at Target. So I was like, they're putting Target in the box. But, you know, okay, I was like, okay, I'll give it a shot. Because $18 for mascara really isn't bad in the grand scheme of things. But then I looked again, because this is a dual wand. Has this little tiny skinny thing. And then, after you put that back in, you pull out the second wand. And then you've got all this va-va-voom with the volume. So that's cool. And it's, like I said, retails for $18. It says that when one mascara wand just won't do the job, reach for the tube that houses two. This dual chamber mascara hides a larger wand for volume and a finer precision to reach all those microscopic lashes. So, you know, I am totally into that. You know, why buy two mascaras when you can just buy one? You know, save some money. Absolutely. And then the last thing in the box, my fave, brushes. Yes, I love me some brushes. I have like 150 brushes. I don't know. That was at last count before I decluttered some of my brushes. But these are from Farrah brushes. And Farrah brushes are fairly new to me. I got some face brushes in the Ipsy December, I think. And they were beautiful gold brushes. These, however, are silver. And these they're just super, super soft. Oh my gosh. I'm like dying here. Brush love, total brush love. Okay, but when I read the price, the retail price for these brushes, I almost wet myself. I mean, come on, 50 bucks? Holy shiz. So anyway, I digress. So it's called the 5-piece Eye Perfection set. And then, this is really funny. I just kind of giggled and laughed when I read this. It says, call us high maintenance. Ding ding, that's me. But it's not enough for our makeup brushes to help our favorite products go on flawlessly. No, really? They should also look pretty on our vanity when you're not using them. So, this metallic brush set looks super luxe, and the 100% vegan bristles make application a breeze. Tip: use with cream and powder products, or dampen the brush with a setting spray and amp up the pigment of any eyeshadow. So I'm like, heck yeah, I'm all down for that. So let's recap. A weird highlighter, some brushes, a cute little mauve palette, some mascara, and some balancing moisturizer. So boom, boom, boom. I love throwing things, you can't tell. Oh, look here. Pew. Anyway, so I added up this box. This box that I spent $25 on. Drum roll, please. The retail value of this box, are you ready, people, is $166. So I think that I got a pretty dang good deal this month. I am happy with 4 out of the 5 products in the box. I'm not really big on skincare, but I mean, I use skincare. I take care of my skin. But I like to get a heavy makeup box. You know, makeup heavy boxes. That's what I like. But anyway, so thanks for stopping by and checking out the Ipsy box. Well, the Ipsy Plus box this month. And Give my video a thumbs up if you liked it. If you have any suggestions for future videos, then put it in the comments section. I'd love a subscribe. Thanks.